Okay, boss. In this episode, we will see what is the programming, why do we do it, and how we do it. Okay, let's see. Hey, Chutki, tell me, what is your program today?
Okay, teacher. Today, mummy will give me tiffin. Then I will go to my friend's home. Then we will play kitchen there. Then we will eat the tiffin. And they have a garden near their home. We'll go to that garden and we'll play. After playing, I will come back to my home and my friends will go to their home.
Very good. What does it mean? It means that you have split your day in small tasks. Like mummy will cook for you will go to your friend, you will play kitchen, and then you will go to the garden. With all these tasks, you created a program for your day. Means you did a programming of your day. Okay? In the same way, in computers, we create first task, then second task, then third, then fourth, then fifth. Likewise, we create so many tasks. Then we put them all together and then we build a program from them. This whole process of building a program is called as programming. Now tell me, how many of you play games on mobile? Everyone plays, I know. Put your hands down. But you know one thing? All these games are built with programming only. Okay, tell me, if you have 1000 notes of 1000 rupees, then how much money will you have? It's quite hard to tell, isn't it? But if you program your computer for this calculation, then it can tell you instantly. All the banks have software to perform their complex calculations, and all these softwares are built on some programs. But to understand that, you need to learn programming. Okay, now you tell me how you make your mummy work for you.
Today I told her in morning that mummy, I want to go to my friend's home, so prepare tiffin for me.
Correct. It means you asked her in English that you want a tiffin. When we want to talk to someone or we want someone to work for us, then we use some language.
a language which you and he can understand. Okay? The same way, computer has so many languages like C, C++, Java, Python, C Sharp, Go, and computer understands those languages only. These languages are called as programming languages. If we want computer to work for us, then we need to learn one of them. And so we are going to learn one language which is called as C. So see you in the next class. Did anything enter your brain, Fatty?
No, it entered my tummy.